Let's put some fresh Arctic Silver on this GPU card. It's a Radeon HD 6450. We're going to put some new thermal paste on here. First thing you do is take the heat sink off. If you got one with a fan, you pull the fan and take the heat sink off. It's pretty simple, really. Next thing we're going to do is clean up all the old goo off of it. I use a plastic razor blade to scrape off what I can scrape off. It's especially a good idea on these old cards like this. As you know, that stuff's been on there forever. And again, it's not a hard job. Just make sure you get it nice and clean. Take some alcohol after that. After you scrape off what you can scrape off, take some alcohol. 95 to 99% works pretty good. I use a coffee filter. Keeps any fibers or hairs from getting in it or on it. Just make sure you get it clean it good. GPU, clean it good. Yeah, make sure that die is shiny. The shinier the better. It's the same process for whatever card you have. Might be a few more screws or whatever. Again, cleanliness is the thing here. I'll get you some Arctic Silver. It doesn't take much. I mean, not much at all, really. A little dab on there. With the heat sink back on. And let it sit for a little while before you put it back in your computer. That's pretty much all there is to it. It's a simple job. Probably needs to be done on an older one. Anyway, that's it.